I've noticed my dog breathing fast, and it's got me a bit worried. Rapid breathing can be a sign of excitement or anxiety, especially if they just had a play session. But it could also indicate something more serious, like pain or respiratory issues. If it's hot outside, they might just be cooling down. I always check their gums. If they're pale or blue, that's a red flag. And if the fast breathing lasts more than a few minutes or is accompanied by other symptoms like coughing or lethargy, it's time to call the vet. Staying informed helps keep my furry friends safe and healthy.